Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable paying for charging with credit cards on EVgo stations. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable paying for charging with credit cards on EVgo stations, start by locating the nearest EVgo charging station. You can find this using the EVgo app or their website. Once you have the charger in sight, park your electric vehicle close to the charging station. Make sure your vehicle is in park and powered off. Next, take out your charging cable from the station. Insert the other end of the cable into your vehicle's charging port. Now, return to the charging station and look for the payment options displayed on the screen. Select the option for credit card payment. If prompted, choose your preferred charging session duration, if applicable. Insert your credit card into the card reader, ensuring the chip faces up. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. Once your payment is confirmed, the charger will begin dispensing power to your vehicle. Keep an eye on the charging status displayed on the screen. When charging is complete, unplug the cable from your vehicle. Return the charging cable to its holder at the station. Check your vehicle to ensure it's fully charged before you leave. That's it. You've successfully enabled paying for charging with a credit card at an EVgo station. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.